I started elementary. I studied in Ateneo, and I was teammates with my brothers. We joined the varsity team there, and but it wasn't like I wasn't like in love with the game back then. Kumbaga, it was just a hobby because we had a lot of sports growing up, in swimming, and we were mainly triathletes because my dad really wanted us to focus on swimming initially.
I started playing basketball when I was 13 years old. First year high school. Kasi it's kind of late for a basketball player. Kasi dami ko kasing gustong gawin nung elementary ako eh. Naglaro ako dami kong nilaruan. Football, volleyball, sepak takraw, nagkaratido pa ako. Pero I've grown up na yung family ko hilig talaga basketball, like yung tatay ko tsaka yung uncle ko. And then I've grown up watching them talaga play basketball. So ayun, nung nag-focus na talaga ako na mag-basketball nung first year high school, and then ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Start po ako basketball ko nung elementary po ako, grade 6. Sumali po yung school namin sa area mid, and isa po ako sa napili.
Hey everybody, my name's Tane Davis. Pretty much how I started playing basketball, I'd say growing up, basketball wasn't my first sport. Growing up, I actually played a lot of other sports. I played softball and I played rugby, if you're not familiar with rugby. So I grew up abroad. I grew up in New Zealand, and where rugby was the main sport. So it was a very physical sport, and yeah, those were my two main sports. But I started playing basketball maybe when I was around 11 years old, so I started quite late. Person that got me into playing basketball was my kuya, my older brother. He was really into basketball, and I didn't really get into basketball until he introduced me to it. And I touched the basketball when I was 11, and then fell in love with it ever since. So I started by playing basketball around when I was 11 years old, and then slowly got competitive with it. Started making age groups. Started getting better and better at it, and then it's led me to where I am today. So
Nag-start ako ng basketball nung second year high school. Pero ang first ko talaga sepak takraw. So yun, may coach naman sa teacher na nagpursige na hikayatin ako sa paglalaro ng basketball. So trinay ko naman, although nasayahan naman ako. So sabi ko tuloy-tuloy ko na. Pero nung time na yun, hindi pa rin talaga mawala sa akin yung paglalaro ng sepak takraw. Kasi yun yung unang naging sports ko eh. So ginagawa ko siguro yung sa isang araw, umaga, sepak takraw, and then sa hapon, basketball kasama mga barkada, tropa.